Welcome back to Sue's Kitchen JA. So in this video I'm going to show you how we cook our famous brown stew chicken. Simple and easy. So as you can see, I have my browning, my chicken season, my jerk season for flavor, well, a little spice, my all-purpose, and a little dash of salt. And I have my dish of chopped up Irish. I have onions, and I have my tomato, I have my carrots, my bell pepper, and I have my garlic and my thyme. And over here I already have my clean chicken. I cut it up, clean it, wash it with vinegar and water. So all that's left for me to do now is just to season it and add in all of the ingredients that I have mentioned earlier on. So if you want to know how I clean my chicken, drop me a comment down below and I'll be happy to show you. But these are all of the ingredients that we normally put in our brown stew chicken. So let's get cooking. Now I'm going to add in my powder ingredients first. So first I take up the chicken seasoning and I'm going to just sprinkle a little. Use your own measurement and judgment. That's enough for me. And then I'm going to put in some of the all-purpose. Just a little dash for flavor, because you know we Jamaicans love our food to have flavor. And then the salt, now you just need a little tips of, ooh, that's too much. We're not gonna use so much. We're gonna put back some, and then voila, that's it for the salt. And then for browning, now we're going to use, remember, we don't use a lot of browning because we don't want the meat to be bitter. So that's about it. Yep. And then I'm going to add in my vegetables. So now I add in my Irish, and then my carrots, my bell pepper, my onions. Do you see that? Do you see that color? Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And now my tomatoes, and last but not least, my garlic and dry thyme. And so after I add those in, I use my hand and I season the meat. We Jamaicans, we like to season our meat with our hands. Yes. So now I'm seasoning it. You just need to keep rubbing. You keep rubbing it so you can get all of the seasoning in. Now, so after we finish rubbing in all of the seasoning and vegetables together to get that flavor, this is how it should look. Now, about the amount of chicken that I use one whole seal pack of best dress mix parts. I think that's all, maybe about 4.5 pounds to 5 pounds. So the last ingredient I'm gonna add now is some of my Walker's Wood jerk sauce. That now this is going to give it some real nice Scotch bonnet hot flavor. So once again, we rub it in to get everything mixed together. And then I'm gonna let this stay for about, normally I marinate my meat for about an hour before I cook it, so the flavors and the season can be. Put this up and let it stay for about an hour, and then I will show you guys how I start cooking it and the finished product. So this is how our chicken look after it has been marinated for 1 hour to be exact. So our pot is already hot, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add just a little bit of oil to it. So, do you see? Just a little bit of oil. It's well hot. And then we're gonna add in the chicken. We're not going to add in the vegetables just yet. We're just going to add in the chicken. So this is it now, with all of the meat inside of it. We're going to allow this to go on cook. And this is the vegetables that we have left. We're going to add some water to this real quick. See, on the water, and then you just quickly turn it or spin it, and then you let this sit. So this is our chicken look. It's coming along, it's cooking down nicely. So we allow it our vegetables, and as you can see, it's already spraying its own water, but it's browning down really nice. So we're almost there. Now we are going to add in our vegetables and allow everything to cook. So this is basically the final process. So we are adding in all of our vegetables. This is how it looks after we add in our vegetables. We're gonna allow this to cook until the Irish potato is soft and the carrots, and it boil down, and you have that thick gravy, and the chicken is tender and right. So we're gonna close the pot now and allow this to cook, and then when I'm finished I will come back and we will check it. This is the end result of our brown stew chicken, Jamaican style. As you can see, everything is cooked out. You can have this with boiled food, rice, whatever you choose, but this is the end result. So I'm gonna share it out and show you how it looks. So this is it. You can serve yours with whatever you choose. As I said, you can have it with boiled dumpling, boiled banana, yam, or you can have it with white rice, rice and peas, whatever you decide. Some baked mac and cheese, whatever, some vegetables, whatever you want. But if you look closely, you will see the Irish, the carrot, the bell pepper, and even the tomatoes. It smells really good. It's really simple and easy. There's a carrot. I hope you will try my recipe and let me know how yours turn out, or you can even drop me a picture so I can see it. But thanks for making it. Sue's Kitchen JA. Have a blessed day now. Bye. This is how I serve my brown stew chicken with rice and peas, tossed salad, mashed potato, and some plantain. This is so yummy and it looks so good. So let me know what you serve yours with and how it turns out. Thanks for making it Sue's Kitchen JA. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend that Sue's Kitchen JA are going with a bag of thing. Look at that. Plantain, rice and peas, tossed salad, and mashed potato. It looks so good. Bye now. From my kitchen to yours. Bye.